Welcome to day 5 of African guitar lesson. If you are new in this my channel, please guys kindly subscribe to this my YouTube channel. But if you haven't watched day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, I advise you guys you should go back and watch day 1, day 2 and day 3, day 4. Okay, so let's get into the tutorials. Cameraman, come close, come close, come close. So now what I played here is like this. So what I play here is like this. Now I play on the key of, this is the key of D. I play on the key of D here. Okay, so now this is your do here. Do re mi fa sol la ti do. Do re mi fa sol la ti do sol fa mi re do. Okay, do re mi fa sol la ti do. So what I played here is like this. Now like this. This is your G, this is your D. Okay, now this is your D here. Okay, this is your root note D here. Then this is your so here. So I play here like this. Are we there? So it's like this. So do so. Okay, so that's the first part here. That's the first phrase I played in this video. Like this. Okay, like this. That's your D major. Okay, that's your D major. That's your major triad here. Okay, then like this. Okay, which is your Mi here. Then you play your so major, so triad. Okay, so here. Then okay, like this. Then you play. Okay, so if you join first part and second part, you will get it like this. That's the first and second part here. The first part is like this. Okay, then the third part is like this. Okay, the third part is like this, which is this chord. Okay, this is your so here. Okay, like this. Two strings. I'm using two strings. Okay, so let's join first, second and third part here. Okay, okay, first and second part and third part here is like this. Okay, so this is the first part, second part and third part here. Okay, then the fourth part is like this, like this back. Then the fourth part is like this. Okay, so this is your F, your fa here. Okay, this is your fa here. Okay, this is your fa. Then you play, this is your la, this is your do. Okay, okay, this is the fourth part here. You will play is like, this is like your chord here. This is like you are playing chord here. This is like your fa chord here. So this is your la here, this is your do, then you play your la. So you play this la here, this lower one with the higher one here. So this is your first, this is your fourth part. Okay, so now then your fifth part, number 5 step 5 is like this. Then you play, so you return to that third part. Okay, then you play. That's what I play in this video. Okay, like this. Then play like this. Then you play. Are you seeing it, guys? This is it. So we are playing on second string here, string D. Okay, the key is D. We are on key D here. So let's go to our third string here. Let's go to our lower octave and play it here. Okay, so now this is our key of D here on third string. This is your third string here. Now, if you want to play exactly as it is in this part here, play like this. You play. Okay. Okay. So it's like this. The chord progressions of this 7 line is like this now. Like this is your chord, D chord here. So this is your saw chord here. Okay. So this is your A. This is your A here. This is your G here. Okay. Which is your D, A, and G here. So the chord progression is like this. Your D, your A, G, and your A. Are we together? So the chord progression like this. That's the chord progression here. So if you want to apply it into your lower octave here, this is your octave, this is your lower octave here. That one that I teach you guys in the first place, this one is your higher octave here. Okay. So now the lower octave is like this. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. So once you play like this, then you play. Okay. Okay. Then you play. That's your A chord. We are going to our A chord here. After our D, this is your D. That's our D here. Then now, that's our A chord here, which is. Then you play, so go to your A chord here. Then let's go to our G chord. Our G chord is like this. So now this is your La here, La. So it should be like this, which is your G. We are forming our G chord here. Okay. Okay. This is your another. This is your La here again. Okay, like this. Then you play. Okay, then. Okay. Okay. Then play like this. Okay. You play. Okay. So let's combine this lower octave here with this higher octave. Are we there? Let's combine them. So you come here. So this is how you can play this 7. Are we there? Mind you, the chord progressions of this 7 guitar leg is like this. You can play it from this. Okay, this is how you can play this 7. Are we together? So you can start playing here. You can start from here first before coming to this octave. Are we together? You can start playing from this lower octave, then come to this octave. This is the second octave here. Are we there? Like this. Are we there? So guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in part 6, in the 6. Okay.